Not used to the bars being up this high. They've been down for a while.
Is it bothering you?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know. Just not used to it. I've been used to like the FC07 riding position.
These are all these bushes have little flowers on them. They're actually still blue.
Yeah, what happens if you go up that way? Is there anything else? I'm turning left, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the left, but unless you want to stop really quick and I can look at the map.
I just don't know how much time we have before we're gonna get back in the van and drive over here, you know?
Yeah, we need to get ice.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, I'm stopping. Alright, so we just stopped. Came down from Dante's View. We're checking out the map, see what else there's around here. So, I'm vlogging for Dermer Life, and I'm motovlogging for DT Rider. So, you guys go follow DT Rider, and DT Rider go follow Dermer Life.
Split off and either go up one direction or down another.
This just died, this battery.
Oh, okay.
This is the center helmets. Alright, I'll jump back on the bike.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. You see that though? Ooh. Ooh. Alright.
Ooh, very brightly colored. I'll give you that much.
That was my whole intention for turning around from here all the way there because I saw that butt. My woo scared you?
Yeah, you just woo.
Is this a viewpoint? Yeah, it's this other viewpoint, huh?
Yeah, you wanna go check it out?
Nah. Whoa. Come on, man. Johnny Depp as the lizard?
Yeah.
I don't remember the name of that. I don't think I ever watched that though. I think I tried to.
Were we Netflixing and chilling?
Yeah, I don't remember. Maybe. So we're gonna call it a day on the bike.
Well, let's go get ice.
Go get ice. Oh, yeah. No.
The sooner we get ice, the sooner we can have cold drinks. Unless you want to go get some shaved ice and Indian taco.
Oh, you want to check that out? Fuck it.
That's right here.
Yeah, let's go there. See what that is.
Oh, yeah, it's like an Indian tribe.
The Indian tribe? Reservation? Cool, well let's go get some tacos, yo.
Never had an Indian taco.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this right here. We're gonna go eat some Indian tacos and some Indian shaved ice? Is that a thing too? I don't know.
Shaved ice? Yeah, I got it.
But anyways guys, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell in the corner for get notified every time we put out a video.
Okay.
And if you want to see more of the footage from this trip, go check out our other channel. It's Dermer Life, and there's a link for that also on my channel. I think that's it. You got anything else to say, Bubbles?
Make sure you subscribe there too.
Subscribe to the Dermer Life. Until next time, later!
Oh, so loud. You loud. Oh, that's a big old black bee up in your business.
What is it? Oh, I'll leave my helmet on.
I know, right?
Hello.